In this tutorial, I'll show you how to copy chart formatting and duplicate charts in Google Sheets using a simple and practical method. First, understand this. When you copy a chart in Google Sheets, it keeps all the formatting like colors, fonts, and styles. This saves you from recreating the same design again. Now, if you want to duplicate a chart, here's what to do. Click on the chart you've already created. Press Ctrl plus C or Command plus C to copy it. Click on an empty area in your sheet. Press Ctrl plus V or Command plus V to paste it. You'll now see an exact duplicate of your chart with the same formatting. Next, if you want to use the same design with different data, here's what to do. Double-click the duplicated chart. This opens the chart editor on the right side. Under the Setup section, find the Data Range field. Replace the old data range with your new data range. Your chart will now update with new data while keeping the same style. That's it. You can quickly duplicate charts and reuse formatting in Google Sheets, making your reports look consistent and saving you a lot of time.